Hi, my name is Adam Kemper. I'm the owner and founder of the Workplace Law Firm. I bring nearly 15 years of experience in representing both individuals and companies in workplace matters on a transactional and litigation basis, as well as doing some consulting work. Today, I'm going to answer the question, which is, what makes our law firm different from other employment law firms? I'm going to cover 5 topics. The first one is me. When you become a client of the Workplace Law Firm, you get direct access to me and the experience that I've brought over the last 15 years. And my experience is unique because I started out working actually for the government at the EEOC and also the U.S. Attorney's Office, but I've also represented claimants in employment matters before spending the last 10 years working exclusively on the company side. So I've seen the workplace from all angles, from the government angle to the individual angle to also the angle of the company. So when you hire the Workplace Law Firm, you hire me to bring that unique experience to the consulting that I provide. Number 2 is communication. It's built right onto my website. I have a 24-hour rule where if you're a client of the Workplace Law Firm, I'm going to get back to you in 24 business hours. Okay, it's not Domino's, it's not 30 minutes or less, but it is 24 hours. And I think that's what separates our law firm from others, because I know that lawyers have a bad track record of poorly communicating with their clients, and I've taken the opposite approach. Number 3, you will have an individualized experience. I view all of my clients as human beings first. Okay, the person on the other side of the phone or on the other side of the email is a human being. And I understand that if they're calling me or they're contacting me, it's because they're experiencing some type of problem and they need my help. And there is no one-size-fits-all solution for every problem. So I bring a personalized approach to each situation, which not only takes into account the current pressing issue, of course, the workplace laws, but also the business side of things. I understand for business owners that they struggle with balancing all that is required to comply with the law, as well as running their day-to-day business. So I try and take into account all of the interests involved and apply them to the guidance that I provide to my clients. Number 4, transparency in pricing. I've talked about this before in some other videos, and what I can tell you is that yes, my law firm still provides the billable pay-as-you-go option for clients that are most comfortable with that. But we also have very transparent flat fee and subscription plans available for our clients so that they know exactly what they're going to pay. They know what they're going to get in return for what it is that they're paying. And there's no sticker shock or hidden fees or anything like that. It's very transparent. And I know with other law firms, there's no way of getting that level of transparency. And number 5, because at the Workplace Law Firm, we are a concierge level practice. That means that we don't take on every client that contacts us. We're very selective in the clients that we choose. We know we're not a fit for everyone, and likewise, not every client is a fit for us. So if you're working with our law firm, that means that we found that there is alignment with the type of service that we provide and the type of client that you are as well. And number 2, that we have the bandwidth to take you on as a client. Because if we take on too much, then we're not going to give each one of our clients the proper attention that they deserve. So that's why we really limit our practice to only a select number of clients that we can provide that concierge level service to on the day-to-day basis. So those are just 5 of the many factors which we believe separate the Workplace Law Firm from other law firms. If you'd like to learn more about our law firm, please check out our website, our YouTube page, our LinkedIn channel. Thank you.